Behind every headline, there's a truth they don't want you to see. Money, power, control. While the world scrolls through distractions, the real game is being played in silence. We're here to expose it. Welcome to Think Too Rich, the story behind the system. They said the US dollar would rule forever. But in 2025, that statement doesn't sound so certain anymore. While the world was busy arguing about interest rates, politics, and crypto, a seismic shift was already underway, confirmed by startling data emerging from late 2024. China was quietly doing something that could change global power forever, buying more gold than any other nation on Earth, month after month, with relentless consistency. And if what's happening behind closed doors is true, the global financial system may be on the edge of a massive reset. So, what's really going on with China's gold strategy? And what does it mean for your money? And for America's future? Let's break it down. In the last 2 years, something incredible happened. The People's Bank of China quietly doubled its official gold reserves, while simultaneously dumping record amounts of US Treasury bonds. This wasn't a one-off purchase, it was a systematic accumulation, a steady drumbeat of buying that has continued for over 24 consecutive months. At the same time, the BRICS alliance, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has expanded dramatically, welcoming major energy producers like Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Iran. Together, this new bloc now controls over 45% of global oil production and a significant portion of other key commodities. And guess what? They're no longer happy trading that oil exclusively in US dollars. Many are now settling trades directly on the Shanghai Gold Exchange, bypassing the dollar system entirely. They're testing a new system, a framework for a common currency, potentially digital and explicitly backed by a basket of commodities, with gold at its core. This isn't a conspiracy theory anymore. It's being discussed openly by top economists, finance ministers, and confirmed in official trade reports. The move away from the dollar is becoming a stated policy goal for many nations. If this experiment succeeds, it could be the biggest threat to the dollar's dominance since World War II. To understand why this matters so much, you need to know how the dollar became king in the first place. After World War II, global leaders gathered at Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, to design a new economic order from the ashes of conflict. They decided the US dollar would be the world's reserve currency, convertible to gold at a fixed rate of $35 an ounce. Every other major currency would then be pegged to the dollar. This arrangement made the dollar the undisputed center of global trade and finance. If you wanted to buy oil, you paid in dollars. If your country wanted to store wealth safely, you bought US government debt. It was a system built on the trust in America's economic strength and its vast gold reserves. For decades, it worked, providing stability and fueling post-war growth. But then, in 1971, facing economic pressures, President Nixon unilaterally ended the direct convertibility of the US dollar to gold. The dollar became a fiat currency, backed by nothing tangible, except the full faith and credit of the US government. This was reinforced by the petrodollar system of the 1970s, where the US secured an agreement for oil to be priced in dollars globally. But that faith? It's starting to crack. After 2020, inflation surged to 40-year highs. Trillions of dollars were printed out of thin air to combat economic shutdowns, devaluing the savings of people worldwide. The US also began using the dollar system as a geopolitical weapon through sanctions, making other countries nervous about their reliance on it. For the first time in generations, major nations began to seriously question their faith in the US system. China saw a historic opportunity. While America was consumed by internal political battles, China was building alliances and infrastructure for a new system, quietly convincing nations that a gold-backed alternative could offer the stability the dollar once promised. We're already seeing this in action. For example, Russia now settles the majority of its trade with China in yuan and rubles, and India has begun paying for some Russian oil imports in rupees. And with the rise of central bank digital currencies, they finally had the technology to build a fast, efficient, and controllable alternative to the old banking system. Imagine this. A digital currency, perhaps a BRICS-issued token, fully backed by physical gold held in member vaults. Every transaction is transparent on a distributed ledger, secure from unilateral sanctions, and tradable instantly across the globe. If nations can use this new system to settle payments for oil, gas, and other vital commodities without ever touching a US dollar, the entire global financial map could be rewritten in a few short years. So what happens if the US dollar loses its world reserve status? For America, it could mean persistently higher inflation, as the country could no longer export its inflation abroad. The cost of imports would rise, hitting consumers' wallets. Crucially, it would become much more expensive for the government to service its massive national debt, potentially forcing difficult choices between cutting spending or raising taxes. Now, this doesn't mean the dollar will vanish overnight. It will likely remain a major currency, but its global dominance could shrink significantly. This would be a gradual shift, not an overnight collapse. The US would lose its exorbitant privilege, the ability to print money freely to pay its bills. For the rest of the world, it could usher in a multipolar financial system with several powerful regional currency blocks competing. And in that new world, gold, the oldest, most trusted form of money, makes a powerful comeback as a neutral arbiter of value. For investors, it means fundamentally rethinking where safety really lies in 2025 and beyond. The smart money is already moving. Central banks around the world are buying gold at a historic pace, purchasing over 1,000 tons in 2024 alone, following a record-breaking 2023. They are diversifying away from the dollar and into a tangible asset they can hold in their own vaults. Meanwhile, retail investors are following suit. They're diversifying their portfolios through various means, from buying physical gold coins and bars to investing in gold-backed ETFs, and even exploring new tokenized gold assets on the blockchain. Of course, it's crucial to remember that gold can be volatile, and owning physical assets comes with custody risks that need to be managed. This isn't about panic. It's about preparation. It's a strategic hedge against uncertainty. And the message from both central bankers and savvy investors is clear. When confidence in paper money begins to break, real, tangible assets win. So, is China's gold-backed currency strategy the end of the dollar? Maybe not the end, but it's the beginning of a new chapter. It is the loudest and clearest warning sign we've had in decades that the world is fundamentally shifting, away from a system based on faith in a single nation, towards one based on verifiable intrinsic value. In 2025, the smartest thing you can do isn't to panic. It's to pay attention and position yourself accordingly. Understand these global shifts, protect your wealth, and think ahead. Remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice, because in a world where trust is becoming scarce, gold is the universal truth that never lies. If this opened your eyes to the bigger picture, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button for more real talk about money, power, and the future of wealth in 2025. Because here at Think Too Rich, we don't just chase trends, we study the foundations that build empires. Every era has a turning point, and you're living in one. The world is changing fast, but the wise adapt faster. If this opened your eyes, hit like, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Think Too Rich, where truth meets wealth. Because the future doesn't wait for anyone. It rewards those who prepare.